Is your Dacia Sandero key fob not working? Most issues stem from a dead battery or need to resynchronize. First, replace the CR2032 battery inside the fob. Pry it open carefully with a coin or screwdriver, positive side up. If that doesn't work, resync the fob. For 2013-2020 models, insert the key, turn the ignition on, and press the lock-unlock buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds. For 2021 plus models, use the infotainment screen under Vehicle Settings, Key Programming. Resyncing addresses signal drops or interference. These steps fix most common problems. Remember to use genuine batteries for longer life. If battery replacement and resyncing don't solve the key fob issue, try a central locking reset. Open all doors, then hold the trunk button on the fob for about 20 seconds. This resets the car's body control module. If problems persist after these steps, the body control module or wiring might be faulty, especially in older or high-mileage cars. Corrosion in wet climates can also cause issues. At this point, seek professional help from a Dacia dealership or qualified mechanic. Avoid forcing resets, as this can drain the battery further. DIY fixes save money, but know when to escalate to avoid further damage.